Good afternoon all of you. In the last class we learned 2 sessions of the story Cinderella. So where we are, you remember? Yes, the fairy godmother who changed all the costumes, all the settings of Cinderella and get ready a coach to travel her to the prince ball, to attend the prince ball. Now we are going to discuss, we are going to learn the next part, that is the ball. You know what is the meaning of the word ball? Yes, a party, a dance party. Here page number 45 all, the ball. Next session is the ball. Look at the text. The ball. Cinderella went to the ball dressed in wonderful clothes. So fairy godmother helped her to change her costume and get ready to attend the prince ball. Now Cinderella went to the ball dressed in wonderful clothes. She dressed very wonderfully. She rode in the red coach and she went to the ball, went to attend the ball, prince ball, in the red color coach. 6 footmen waited on her. 6 footmen are there to ride the coach and they are waited for Cinderella. In the ballroom she looked like a princess in the ballroom, and she went to the prince palace, and in that ball she looked like whom? Beautiful princess. Nothing was then heard but a confused noise. How beautiful she is! How beautiful she is! So everywhere we can hear what? Every people saying what? How beautiful she is! The prince noticed her at once because Cinderella became very beautiful there, and the prince noticed her. He danced only with her, and the prince when he noticed Cinderella, only he danced with her. Her sisters were now jealous of her. The step-sisters and stepmother already go there. So they became jealous when they see what? Cinderella's dance with the prince. But they did not recognize Cinderella. But they can't recognize Cinderella. Why? Because all of the costume, all of the jewelry, all things are changed. She went on dancing and forgot about the time. So Cinderella also liked the party. She danced with the prince and she forgot about the time. Then the clock started to strike 12. Now the time is almost going to 12. She now remembered the words of the fairy. Now she remembered the voice of fairy. What is the fairy godmother tell? Yes, before these all things related to Cinderella is magic. So after 12 o'clock all these things are going and she back to normal. So she bought the prince and ran quickly out of the ballroom. Cinderella want to go to home. So this time she ran quickly from the palace. Arriving home, she ran to seek out her godmother to tell everything that had happened at the ball. She reached her home and she explained all the details to the fairy godmother. She said that she heartily wished she could go to the ball the next day as well, because the prince had invited her. The next day also Cinderella want to go to attend the ball because the prince invited her the next day also. Then her 2 sisters knocked at the door. Now this time someone knocked the door. Who is that? The 2 step-sisters. Cinderella ran and opened the door. Now Cinderella ran and opened the door. You stayed such a long time, she cried, gaping, rubbing her eyes and stretching herself as if she had been sleeping. So she started acting what? Rubbing her eyes, because they are going to attend the ball and they returned back, and she wanted to make them sure that she was sleeping. Cinderella was sleeping. That is why she rubbed her eyes in the mark of sleeping. And there is next page, all page number 46, top of the page. If you had been at the ball, said one of her sisters, you would not have been tired with it. Then one of the stepsisters said to Cinderella that if you had been at the ball, if you there in the ball, no, you didn't tired yourself. The finest princess was there, the most beautiful that mortal eyes have ever seen. Cinderella seemed very indifferent to what they said. Then they talk about whom? The beautiful lady who saw in the ball. But Cinderella seemed very indifferent to what they said. Indeed, she asked them the name of the princess, replied, but they told her they did not know. Cinderella, smiling, replied, she must then be very beautiful indeed. How happy you have been! Could not I see her? And dear sister, do lend me your yellow dress which you wear every day. So they talk about the stepmother and stepsisters talk about whom? Yes, the beautiful lady they saw in the ball, and they just told all the story to Cinderella. That time she said, I also wanted to see the beautiful lady. Yes, to be sure, cried her sister. Lend my clothes to such a dirty cinder when you are. I should be such a fool. The entire family burst into laughter. That time Cinderella asked to one of the stepsister that please give me your yellow cloth, then I can wear it and tomorrow I will come with you. The next day the two sisters were at the ball, and so was Cinderella, dressed even more magnificently than before. The next day of the ball is coming there. Then the two stepsisters went to attend the party. That time Cinderella dressed. Cinderella also wanted to go there, and she dressed even more magnificently than before. She became more beautiful. The prince was always by her side and never ceased to give his compliments to kind words to her. And the king, son of the king, the prince was always in the side of Cinderella and never ceased to give his compliments and kind words to her. And he complimented Cinderella on her beauty. Cinderella forgot about the time. She danced with the prince and she forgot about the time. She thought that it was no later than 11 when she counted the clock striking 12. Now the clock just striking the time 12 o'clock. She jumped up and fled as nimble as a deer. She just jumped in the prince ballroom like a deer. In her hurry, she left one of her glass shoes in the ballroom. That time, in her speed, in her hurry, she left one of her glass shoes in the ballroom. So she missed one of her glass shoes in the ballroom. As she reached the coach, she heard the last ding dong. Suddenly, the coach became a pumpkin. So, miracle happened here. What? As she reached the coach. So, this is almost, the time is going to 12. The clock is striking 12. So, she just come out of the ball and where, yes, she is in the side of red coach. That time, all the pumpkin is changed, the red coach is changed into the pumpkin. You remember the fairy godmother changed the pumpkin into red coach to travel for Cinderella. Then the horse turned into mice and the footmen into green lizards. The horse turned into mice. The fairy godmother changed the mice to horse. Now after 12 o'clock, this horse changed again into mice and the footman into green lizards. Her clothes became the old rags again. Then all the beautiful dresses of Cinderella became old rags. But the one shoe on her foot was unchanged. But one shoe on her foot was not changed. She reached home before her sisters arrived. So Cinderella reached her home before her stepsisters arrived there. So they did not know about her going to the ball. So stepmother and stepsisters did not know about what Cinderella's travel to the or journey to the ball. So in this session you can see 3 questions. Come to 9th question all. Had Cinderella appeared in her old clothes, how would the prince have treated her? So if Cinderella went to the ball, prince ball in an old dresses, clothes, what is the response of the prince? That is the question, 9th question. Then 10th, why did Cinderella pretended to be asleep? Why Cinderella acted? Pretend means acted as asleep. Why? When she opened the door, she rubbed her eyes as in the sign of sleeping. Why she acted, pretended? The 11th question is, Cinderella forgot the words of her fairy godmother on the second day. What may be the reason? Fairy godmother give the condition that after 12 o'clock all the things changed into normal. So Cinderella forgot this thing. Why she forgot? You know the answer, so write the answer there. Now we are going to learn the next session of the story, that is the search. The search, the next session. So look at there. The prince became very sad when Cinderella left him. So the prince became very sad. Why? Because Cinderella left him in his home. His servants brought him the glass shoe that Cinderella had left in the room, and his servants brought the shoe. You remember, the time is almost going to 12 o'clock at night. That time Cinderella just immediately ran from the prince room, ballroom. That time one glass shoe she left there, missed there. So his servants, prince's servants, brought him the glass shoe that Cinderella had left in the room. He wanted to find out the beautiful girl who had danced with him. Why? The servants show the prince the glass shoe because the prince wanted to find out Cinderella. The next day he sent messengers to announce that the prince would visit every home to find out the ladies. So the next day prince announced that all the servants of him should going to search whom? Cinderella, the beautiful lady. This news excited the ladies, all the ladies excited. The 2 stepsisters were very glad because they had pretty feet. Then the 2 stepsisters became very happy. Why? Because they have beautiful feet. They put on their best clothes and waited for the prince. All the 2 stepsisters became happy and they wear beautiful dresses and they are waited for prince to come. But Cinderella didn't have any good clothes. But Cinderella didn't have any good dress to wear. The prince visited every house. The prince visited every house. He invited girls to try on the shoe Cinderella had left in the ballroom. So he wanted to know whose shoe is that, who left in the prince ball. He wanted to find out the beautiful lady, that is Cinderella. So he invited all the girls to try on the shoe on their feet. Cinderella had left in the ballroom. The girls tried it on, but it did not fit any one of them. And all the girls in the kingdom just wear it, but they didn't fit them. Finally, the prince reached Cinderella's house. At last, prince reached the house of Cinderella. The eldest stepsister went to her room to try on the shoe, and her mother stood by. So this is the turn of the eldest stepsister, and stepmother is also near her. But she could not get her big toe into it, for the shoe was too small. But it is not fit. Why? Because her foot is too small. Then her mother handed her a knife and said, cut the toe off, for when you are a queen, you will never have to go on foot. So the girl cut off her toe, squeezed her foot into shoe. So what happened? Stepmother said that you just cut off your toe. What is a toe? You know? Yes, in our feet. Yes. So you cut off your toes and just to fit the shoe for yourself. After marrying prince, you did not walk. Why? Because yes, horse coaches are there. That is why. Then so the girl cut off her toe, squeezed her foot into the shoe. She concealed her pain. So she concealed her pain. She cut off. That is why she felt pain, but she concealed. And went down to the prince. The prince looked at her shoe and saw blood flowing under it. That time the prince just looked at her foot. Then what happened? Bleeding. That is why he ignored it. Not the right bride at all. He said that you are not my bride. The prince shouted in anger. He became angry. Then the other sister tried the shoe. Then the other stepsister tried it. She went into her room to do so and got her toes comfortably in, but her heels was too large. Next stepsister's foot was very large. Then her mother handed her the knife, saying, cut a piece off your heel. When you are the queen, you will never have to go on foot. The same reason stepmother repeated. You have to cut your heel. So the girl cut off a piece of her heel and thrust her foot into the shoe. Then she also cut her heels, and the prince looked at her feet and became more angry and shouted, there is blood on your shoe. The shoe is too small, not the right bride at all. That time her heel is also bleeding. That is why prince understood that she is not his bride. Then Cinderella came forward and let me try it. Her sisters laughed at her. That time Cinderella came forward from the house and she asked the permission to whom? Prince, that let me try it. Her sisters laughed at her. That time her sisters laughed. Clear out here. How dare you come here in these dirty rags, you ugly creature, they said. That time stepmother and stepsisters became angry and they said, how dare you to come here in your rag dress and dirty, you ugly creature. But the prince asked her to try the shoe. But prince gave the permission to wear the shoe. I have seen you somewhere, but I cannot remember where. He said. Prince said, I saw you somewhere, but I don't know where. Cinderella put her left foot into the shoe and it fitted her perfectly. Then Cinderella put the shoe and wonder, it fit her perfectly. Everybody was astonished. That time all the people astonished, wondered. She then pulled out the other shoe from her pocket and put it on her right foot. One shoe is with her. So she take it from the pocket and wear it also. Just then the fairy appeared and touched her with her magic wand. That time the fairy godmother again came there and touched Cinderella with her magic wand. In a moment her rags changed into cloths of silk and gold. That time all the dirty dress of Cinderella changed into silk of gold. The prince danced with joy and cried, this is the right bride. That time prince could identify her, Cinderella. Then he said, this is the right bride. The shoes are fit for her. She is the right bride after all. He said to Cinderella, you are the most beautiful girl in the country. I'll make you my bride. That time the prince announced, you are most beautiful woman in this kingdom and I select you as my bride. The prince married and took her to the palace, and the prince married Cinderella and took her to the palace. Cinderella pardoned her sisters and took them into the palace. They lived there happily thereafter. Cinderella is very kind, so she take stepmother and stepsisters with her to the palace and they led a happy life. So this is our story, Cinderella. Did you like the story all? Yes, I hope all of you like this story. Now come to the 12th question. This news excited the ladies. What is the news referred to? So read the text and find out the answer. A news excited the ladies in the kingdom. So what is the news? Write the answer. 13th question is, pick out sentences which show that the stepmother and her daughters were greedy and over ambitious. What is the question? Pick out sentences which show that the stepmother and her daughters were greedy and over ambitious. So select or find out the same sentences in the text. That is, what are the, how we can identify the greedy and over ambitious of these stepmother and stepsisters. Now come to the 14th question all. Cinderella pardoned her sisters and took them to the palace. What quality of Cinderella is revealed here? So that is the 14th question. What is the question? Cinderella pardoned her sisters and took them to the palace. What quality of Cinderella is revealed here? At last part of the story, prince married her and prince took her to the palace. That time Cinderella took her stepmother and stepsisters to the palace. So what quality is revealed here? That is the question. Now come to page number 49 all. Let's revisit the story. Cinderella had to suffer because of the bad treatment from her stepmother and stepsisters. Write briefly about her sufferings and reactions to it. So what is the first question? Cinderella had to suffer because of the bad treatment from her stepmother and stepsisters. Write briefly about her sufferings and her reaction to it. So you know that stepmother and stepsisters treated her very badly, Cinderella. So what are the sufferings? You write it here. What are the sufferings of Cinderella by stepmother and stepsisters and what is Cinderella's reaction to it? Write it there. Second question is, Cinderella left one of her glass shoes in the ballroom. How did this incident change her life? Cinderella just left or missed her glass shoe, one of the glass shoes in the prince ballroom. So how this incident changed her life? That also you write there. Then third question, is Cinderella a lovable girl? Why do you think so? Pick out sentences to substantiate your answer. So is Cinderella a lovable girl? Why do you think so? What is the reason? You write it there. Move on to next page. Activity 1. Read the following passage. Cinderella begged her stepmother to allow her to attend the ball. What you, Cinderella? In all your dust and dirt, you want to go to the ball. You have no dress and no shoes. You want to dance. She turned her back to Cinderella and hurriedly set out with her two proud daughters. When Cinderella lost sight of them, she felt very sad. She started crying. Tears rolled down her cheeks. These are the same paragraph in the story. Wiping her tears, she began to think what would be the thoughts of Cinderella. So that after this incident, without taking her, without bringing Cinderella, stepmother and stepsisters went to attend the party. That time she became very tensed. So you have to prepare or write the thoughts of Cinderella, thoughts of what she thinks, thoughts of Cinderella. You can see the picture. In middle, Cinderella is there. Then how many pictures? 4 pictures she thinks about. 2 stepsisters are there. Then her mother, Cinderella's mother. Then doing household works, all those things. So with reference to all these pictures, you should write what? The thoughts of Cinderella. Now come to activity 2. The prince became very sad when Cinderella left him. His servants brought him the glass shoe that Cinderella had left in the room. He wanted to find out the beautiful girl who had danced with him. The next day, he sent messengers to announce that the prince would visit every home to find out the lady. Finally, the prince came to Cinderella's house. So this is also happened in our story. What the prince wanted to find out Cinderella, who is the beautiful lady. So he is going to search everyone's house. Let's develop a skit based on the events that made Cinderella the prince's bride. The following ladder of events will help you to develop the skit. So first you do what? Some incidents are there given as step by step. The prince visits Cinderella's house. Cinderella's stepsisters try the glass shoe. Cinderella tries the glass shoe and it fits her well. The prince makes Cinderella his bride. These are the things happened, incidents happened there. So in the Cinderella story, in box you can see how many characters there. Cinderella, prince, stepmother, stepsisters, 2 stepsisters, fairy godmother and a courtier, that is servant. Then you have to prepare the script based on that. So do it in your home. Next, activity 3. The prince invited the girls in the land to the ball through a public announcement. This was the announcement read by the messenger in public places. So the prince invited all the girls in the land to attend the ball. You remember invitation, he sent an invitation to participate all the girls in the ball. So here it is. Let me read. For the attention of all the people of the country, His Majesty shall have a ball at his palace on next Sunday. All unmarried girls of the kingdom are invited to the ball. His Majesty shall choose one among them as his bride. That is the message. The prince chooses Cinderella as his bride. So at last, prince chooses Cinderella as his bride. The prince asked the messenger to make an announcement in public places around the kingdom about the royal wedding. Prepare the announcement. At last, in the end part of the story, we understood that the prince agreed to marry Cinderella. So you have to prepare what? An invitation card for all the people in the kingdom about their wedding. You know, wedding invitation card. So prepare it. Next, activity 4 is we usually invite friends and relatives for parties and celebration. Here are 2 such invitations. Read them. So you can here see what invitations. So read it. Just read it and observe it. Now design an invitation card for your birthday. Includes details like whom you want to invite, where the venue is, when it will be happen. So what are the things you have to prepare an invitation for your birthday. So what are the details you can include in the invitation? What is the invitation card about? That is your birthday. Then when it happened, where it happened, all the details you can include and prepare an invitation card. So for today, we wind up our class here. Thank you.